Yeah. Oh my god. What the hell happened? I did not see the light.
I know you didn't.
Fuck.
Is your bike okay?
Yeah. I hope so.
Do you need help?
Fuck, I don't know if it's okay. Fuck. Someone's gonna call the cops.
You think so?
Yeah.
Those people are like looking at us. Go into your phone. Are you guys okay? Are you
We're both.
alright? I'm totally fine. Been totally fine. Where'd you guys land? Are you?
I like tried to slow down as much as I could and just braced it, and then we hit this. We weren't going that fast,
Yeah.
but lost control.
Yeah, because we heard it. So you're okay though?
Yeah, I'm totally
Yeah,
fine.
Okay. Everybody's good? No.
Lucky we hit the grass.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
That
would have
was
been a
good.
lot worse if it was asphalt.
Okay.
What happened?
You guys scared us.
Oh, I scared
You
myself.
guys gonna drive or
Yeah, it
Yeah,
shouldn't,
we're totally good.
shouldn't be.
We were just coming back from the mall.
do you need help pulling it up or?
No, well, I can get it.
Are you sure?
I really appreciate you coming back.
Well, my husband, actually the chief of police, he's right there. So like when it happened, it was like, okay. So.
Yeah.
They're okay, but they did crash. They are normal. They came from the mall.
I slowed down as much as I could.
That must have scared the shit out of you.
I was actually, what?
How old are you?
I'm 18.
How old is he?
20. He's a Marine, so he
Oh,
drives
he
every
is?
day.
Is he at Camp Pendleton?
Yep, he
So
goes
is
from
my
Pendleton
son.
to RSM every single day, twice a day. So.
Babe! No, they're fine. They're okay.
Alright, he said we should get out of here.
Yeah. Can you look it up?
What's happening?
It's okay?
No, I'll check on it once I get somewhere.
Grab
You pick
his
that up?
helmet.
Thanks for checking on it.
My son's a Marine too.
Oh, is it? Alright, thank you.
Thank you. What? I'm sorry, I told you to go fast. I'm so sorry, baby. It was all my fault. That was all my fault. That was literally all my fault. Over here? There's a ton of grass in it. Is that guy a cop? Wow, that's scary. That's real bad.
He was like, yeah.
What did he say?
He's like, we need to get out of here. The cops are gonna
Oh
come.
my god. What happens to the cops then? You got reported? Oh. I noticed that the traffic was coming up and I thought, oh, he's just gonna go in a little circle, and then it started like skipping on the road.
I'm so sorry, I didn't even know that.
I didn't even know how fast you were going.
I thought I was going like 60, but
Yeah, I know.
I couldn't even see it.
I just didn't know what was happening because I saw that the light was coming up and then you didn't stop. I thought you were just gonna speed through. Oh well. I had a feeling. I told you I know there's great energy.
Not color, please, like
I don't see
ever.
the color ever. Ever.
Let's go over here and go away from that. Alright, did I get the car from the camera? I did.
Is that good? You probably couldn't even see it though. It was nighttime.
Good that I have not turned on there, okay. Not really that happened.
It's bad?
But like, what happened, you know?
Yeah. Did your helmet come off?
I took it off.
can't follow my phone. I put my phone and hit my elbow.
Oh wait, can I see? I don't want you to have any road rash.
Is it like bad?
You're never gonna want to ride the bike again.
I'm fine with riding the bike. Is it bad?
I'm not ever speaking. Why'd you?
Look.
This is what happens when you try and rush this.
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. You have like some scrape. They're not bad. You have a scrape right there and it looks like that, like a little one of those in your belly.
Okay.
Can you not show your parents?
Yes, I do.
Fucking murder me. I don't even know if the bike's gonna run.
Crash, so
You did?
I completely knew it. Before we left and on the road, I knew we were gonna crash. I don't know why I knew everything we were going to do.
The bike doesn't stop.
Are you serious?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you got this whole show on video.
Oh yeah.
We're about to get wet. And we just fucking crashed. And it was my fault. Cause
No, it was mine. I'm the one who said to go fast.
and I'm the one who went fast. And it's not fucking cool.
Can you watch it when you get home?
Yeah. It's not cool at all. I didn't even like realize where we were. We like passed Antonio.
I know.
I didn't even like.
That's why I thought you were just speeding through the yellow.
No.
I thought you
Well,
were just trying to go and like go on people or something.
I just like couldn't stop, so I just like kept fucking going. And I was trying to stop, and it just started like.
Did you like roll?
We just started the back brake locked up because I was trying to stop so fast. Like my throttle is still, I don't know. What? I was just going too fast.
What?
I was just speeding.
You didn't say that though, right?
No, I told him my throttle locked up. Like, you know, this makes you go faster. I was saying that just, like, I let go of it and it was still making me go. Come on, go. Are you okay to ride?
Okay.
I'm not gonna go fast. Pick it up. What's wrong?
Oh, there.
What? Alright, so I gotta make this quick because I'm running out of space on this camera, but it is the day after the crash and I'm gonna show you guys what happened to the bike. So, again, nothing big, surprisingly, for a motorcycle crash. I know I wasn't going too fast. The only things that happened were this fairing right here, you can see it's kind of messed up. It's actually nothing broke. The only thing that happened was one screw right there got ripped out and two screws on the bottom, which shouldn't be a hard fix. The screws are probably lying around where we crashed, but I'm not going to go back there, so I'm just going to find something to replace those with. Again, shouldn't be too big of a deal. Right here you can see this piece of metal was bent. It's not supposed to be bent like that on the bottom, but I mean that's not really affecting anything. The frame slider, the tip of it, the frame slider is basically a piece of plastic covered in plasti dip, and the plasti dip was scratched off of the tip of it, so I'm just going to remove all the plasti dip and put more on top of it, and that shouldn't be too bad of a fix. And the last thing is, this is pretty much the biggest thing that's going to prevent me from riding until I get it fixed, is my front wheel. So you can see right here is where I impacted on the curb, and the rim itself is just pretty much bent, and you don't want to ride like that. I was supposed to go up to the mountains today, and obviously that's not going to happen anymore. Another thing is that the rotor right here is bent just ever so slightly. It was kind of like that before, but it got a little worse when I crashed, mainly on this side, which is the side that we slid onto. And I think that's pretty much it. Nothing really happened. You saw I rode the bike home after I crashed. But yeah, I'm not so worried about the bike, I'm more worried about us, especially because I had my girlfriend on the back. That's something that I never wanted to happen, but it did. We were going too fast, my back brake locked up, and we crashed. Luckily, I slowed down as much as I could, and we pretty much were going like 15 miles an hour when we hit the grass. So luckily everyone's okay.